What's up, Q2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I have it in silver here. I just received this device, so let's get started. Pull the pull tabs. As you can see here, woo, you agreed it with the phone. Man, that silver looks and feels nice. But get a load of that big old camera bump. And here's the sides. I'm gonna put this aside. And as you can see, you get the charging cable, like always. You also get SIM ejection tool. Can never have enough of those. You get your lovely Apple sticker and your information. But I don't need this. So close the box back up. And let's pull off the paper. Woo, look at that big old screen. 6.7 inch display. And I'm coming from an iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is recording the video right now before I have to send it back. Let's cut the device on. See if it has any juice. And you are welcome with the Apple logo. Man, I'm loving this silver. I ordered silver because I always wanted a silver iPhone. And when I had placed an order for my 11 Pro Max at the time, they did not have silver. So I had to settle for gray. But now I actually have an iPhone in silver, and this looks nice. And that matte back feels really nice. This will go real good with my AirPods Pro. I have my Apple Watch here, but I'll probably have to find a silver or white casing for it. But other than that, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There's the smaller notch. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll be back again with more videos. I'm out.